How to fix Facebook page is not available right now on iPhone. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. For that, launch your settings app. Now navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network, give a first restart to your router and then rejoin it. Then you can head back. Now enable for the option airplane mode. Wait for a few minutes and then again disable it. Then scroll down, navigate to the option general. Head over to the option iPhone storage. Now here you're gonna find different apps. Navigate to the app Facebook, click on it. Click on the option Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Then click on Reinstall app. Now I can head back. Then scroll down and navigate to the option VPN and device management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, disconnect to it. Now go ahead and check for the updates for the app Facebook. So launch your app store, search for the app Facebook. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With this solution, you'll be good to go. Your Facebook page is not available right now. Issue will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.